Hi, welcome back viewers. Hope you are all doing well. My name is Saad and in today's video, 11 successful marketing campaign examples that'll inspire you. Creating a winning marketing campaign is intimidating. But what if you had some inspiration to jolt your creativity and ease your anxiety? In this video, I will share 11 successful marketing campaign examples, each one giving you a fresh perspective on how to promote your company. With these ideas, you can inspire the perfect campaign for your business, one that raises brand awareness and attracts new customers, no matter your budget or the size of your marketing team. Let's see how it's done. 11 memorable marketing campaigns to inspire you. 1. Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign. Coke started its Share a Coke campaign by replacing its brand name on the bottle of Coke with 150 popular names and adding the Share a Coke tagline. Because of its low price point, it was easy to encourage customers to buy a bottle for themselves and one for their friends or loved ones. Share a Coke became a way to tell someone you were thinking of them. The genius of this highly successful campaign was its simplicity. By using Share a Coke as its call to action, Coke inspired customers to buy more than they usually would. Consider, can you personalize your product so your target customer feels a special connection they want to share with others? 2. Dove's Real Beauty Campaign. The Real Beauty campaign started in response to a study that showed only 2% of women described themselves as beautiful. Dove wanted to challenge the way society defines beauty. One way they challenged the standard is the 2006 video called Evolution. It's a time-lapse video showing the steps that go into transforming a normal-looking woman into the cover model you see on billboards and magazines. The video was a hit. It had 1.7 million views in its first month on YouTube and became a viral sensation on social media. Consider, how can you stand out to your audience by challenging a standard in your industry? 3. McDonald's I'm Lovin' It campaign. This marketing campaign is a winning example of sonic branding, which is the use of a distinctive sound to make an association with a brand. As part of their mission to update the brand, McDonald's ran a competition among international ad agencies. The winning idea was the Ba Da Ba Ba Ba, I'm Lovin' It jingle, originally sung by Justin Timberlake. It launched in Germany in 2003 for the first time and is still being used today, the longest-running ad campaign in McDonald's history. Consider, while you may not be running TV commercials, how can you use sound as part of your brand identity? Can you add it to your YouTube videos, your podcast intros and outros, or in the videos you create for social media? 4. Nike's Find Your Greatness campaign. When Adidas won the spot as the official sportswear sponsor of the 2012 Summer Olympics, Nike needed a brilliant marketing campaign to counter the publicity Adidas would receive. Nike created a series of commercials showing ordinary people doing things like running marathons, swimming, playing rugby, and other athletic pursuits. The voiceover in the commercial says you don't need to be part of the Olympics to be great. Greatness is wherever somebody is trying to find it. The closing shot is on the powerful words "Find your greatness." The idea was to reach the everyday athlete with the inspirational message that greatness was for everyone. Consider, how can you inspire potential customers to make them feel as celebrated as an Olympic athlete? 5. Always is Like a Girl campaign. Research shows that a young girl's confidence plummets when she reaches puberty. Always wanted to create an advertising campaign to counter that. They created a short video that opens with individuals who range in age from older teens to young adults. The ad agency asked the men and women to do different things like a girl, such as fight, throw, and run. As you might expect, there's lots of giggling, limp arms, and caricature-like moments of being like a girl. But when prepubescent girls were asked to perform the same actions, they were strong and confident. The ad was a big hit. 76% of women 16 to 24 years old said that the video changed their perception of the phrase "like a girl." It no longer seemed like an insult. And 2 out of 3 men said the video made them think twice about using "like a girl" as a taunt. The campaign was so successful, even without showing or discussing the product, because it was an emotional brand message. Consider, how can you tap into the emotions of your audience? 6. Al's Ice Bucket Challenge. The Ice Bucket Challenge is an example of an organic movement gone viral. The challenge was to pour a bucket of ice water over your head, share a video of it on social media, and ask your friends to do the same. If you didn't complete the challenge in 24 hours, you donated $100 to Al's research. Not only did this produce some wildly popular content in 2014, but it showed how challenges can drive massive engagement with the right social media marketing strategy. Just look at the countless branded challenges on TikTok now in 2022. It got its organic start with Pete Freights and Pat Quinn, who used their extensive social networks to draw attention to the challenge. Soon the challenge reached celebrity circles with participants like Ethel Kennedy, Bill Gates, and the New England Patriots. Consider, how can you use your existing social networks, or those of your friends, to expand your reach? 7. Red Bull's Stratos campaign. While Red Bull says Stratos was not an advertising stunt, it was a huge hit with their target audience of young men into extreme sports. In 2012, Felix Baumgartner did a live parachute jump from the stratosphere, becoming the first person to break the sound barrier in freefall. Red Bull funded the $330 million project, and Red Bull branding is visible in every second of the 3-hour video. The record-breaking event was live-streamed in 50 countries and was watched by over 8 million live viewers on YouTube. Consider, can you attach your branding to a record-breaking challenge on a smaller scale? 8. Nike's Just Do It. Nike's Just Do It campaign is another brilliant marketing campaign that uses emotion to reach the target audience. When Nike featured 80-year-old Walt Stack running 17 miles every morning, it inspired the viewer to face their own challenges. Nike reinforced the message in the closing shot of the commercial. It says, "Just do it." The focus is never on the shoes or how the shoes help the person be a better athlete. The focus is evoking an emotional response to the brand. Consider, how can you help your customers feel like they can tackle a challenge they face? 9. Apple Think Different campaign. In 1997, Apple launched the iconic Think Different campaign. Though grammatically incorrect, the wording was a purposeful choice by Steve Jobs to drive home the point that Apple is so different when compared to other computers, and Apple users are proud to be part of that difference. The ad ran with images of icons like Einstein, Gandhi, and Picasso, cultural giants who were labeled crazy in their lifetimes, but whose work changed the world. With that brand awareness campaign, and Steve Jobs back at the helm, Apple's financial standing and brand loyalty and perception skyrocketed. Consider, how can you use individuality to stand out? 10. Nike's Play Inside. At the start of the pandemic, Nike wanted to encourage people to maintain social distancing while remaining active. Play Inside was their answer. One part of their campaign featured Nike athletes like Michael Jordan and Serena Williams, posting to their social media feeds a post that read, "If you ever dreamed of playing for millions around the world, now is your chance. Play inside. Play for the world." Nike also ran a video ad with the same message, featuring people who were playing basketball alone, lifting weights alone, and working out alone. Consider, how can your brand bring people together for a common cause? Or against a common threat? 11. UNICEF's Facebook likes. UNICEF Sweden wanted to remind their Facebook supporters that Facebook likes don't equal monetary support, which is needed for UNICEF to continue their work. They created 3 videos to make their point. The most intense of the 3, called Facebook Likes Don't Save Lives, shows a young boy standing in a dark shack, his younger brother sitting on a mat on the floor. The young boy worries about who will take care of his brother if he gets sick. But then he says that everything will be fine because today UNICEF Sweden has 177,000 likes on Facebook. Maybe they will reach 200,000 by summer. Then we should be all right. The more humorous of the videos shows a man attempting to pay for his meal at a restaurant with Facebook likes. Consider, can you use both serious and humorous components in your campaign? Final thoughts on these marketing campaign examples. Sure, creating a successful marketing campaign can be a challenge. But get it right, and your marketing efforts will pay off. With these 11 examples of excellent campaigns and a willingness to be creative, you have the inspiration needed to create a winning campaign. Pick just one example, brainstorm ways to make it work for your business, and get started on your campaign plan today. Thank you for watching the video.